Enroll is step 6 of the doTERRA sales cycle. Instruct customers to fill out the shaded areas on their order form so they can get these oils into their home. Walk around the room and offer to answer individual questions. Share what you love about the kit that you feel is best for them. Connect everything back to their health priorities and how this kit is designed to meet their needs. Point out that purchasing a kit is important so they have multiple products on hand, not just 1 or 2 things. Keep the following ideas in mind when enrolling customers. The confused mind says no. Avoid showing an excess number of items. Show a few, offer a special, and keep things simple. Consider gifting a free wild orange to those who order at the class. Enroll most everyone as a wholesale customer. Enroll those who want to share or build as a wellness advocate. Talk positively about more expansive kits so that they can have multiple oils in their home and enjoy more benefits. Focus on the benefits of living the total doTERRA wellness lifestyle. If you're not sure what to say when it's time to enroll, you might start with something like this. When I enrolled, I started out with a kit, and that's what I find gives the best value from the beginning. My family started with a natural solutions kit. It has many of the most popular products that you need to begin your journey. They support you with sleep, immune system, energy, focus, even oils for cooking and cleaning. The list goes on. If you're interested in more sample scripts on enrolling, refer to page 11 of the launch guide. Reflect on how the enroll step usually goes for you. How confident do you feel in your ability to enroll? Rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 and record your answer on page 17 of the sales guide.